WhatsApp is one of the biggest services for messaging in the world, but it requires some steps to be taken when switching between devices. If you're looking to backup and restore WhatsApp messages between devices, here's what you need to know. If you're on Android, tap on the triple dotted icon and select Settings. From here, tap on Chats to open your chat settings, select Backup, then Backup to Google Drive. On the window that pops up, select how often you want the app to update, then select which Google account you'd like to save the backup to. If you don't have your Google account currently connected, tap Add Account when the app prompts you and log into it. Once that's set up, you can tap Backup Over to select which network to use for your backups. While WhatsApp will now periodically back up your messages, you can choose to manually back up your messages at any time by heading back to this menu and tapping the Backup button at the top of the page. If you use iOS, your backups are sent to your iCloud account. To ensure it's enabled, first head to your Settings app and tap on your name at the top. From here, scroll down and tap on iCloud to manage your settings. Scroll down and look for WhatsApp on the list of apps and ensure that the toggle next to it is toggled on. Then make sure that iCloud Drive and iCloud Backup are on as well. With that set, open WhatsApp and tap on Settings at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on Chats, then on Backup. To back up your messages at any time, tap Back Up Now. You can also set your messages to automatically back up to iCloud by tapping on Auto Backup below and choosing your backup frequency. To save space, you can toggle whether or not to include videos using the toggle below that. To restore your messages, you'll need to either reinstall the app on your phone or set it up on a new one. If you're reinstalling the app on the same phone, it's best to ensure that a backup of your messages exists on Google Drive and iCloud respectively. That being said, you're given the option to restore your messages as part of setting up the app. Just follow the in-app prompts. For it to detect your backup, you'll need to use the same phone number and be signed into the same Google account or Apple ID you've used to create the backup. If you're trying to restore a backup from iOS to Android or vice versa, there's currently no way to do so natively. You'll need to resort to a third-party app. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering WhatsApp and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.
ありがとう。